Hey friends, welcome back to Speak English Today. I'm Mike. Today's episode is for beginners. You want to learn English, but you're not sure how to start. You want to make progress, but don't know what to do first. In this video, I'll share a different kind of plan, one that can make learning English feel easier and maybe even fun. Let's get started. It is called a theme. What is a theme? A theme is a topic. A theme is just a topic. A subject you can talk about. Think of things like food, family home, shopping, or the weather. Each one is a different theme. Now here's the idea. Pick one theme for the week. Just one, not three, not five, one focus. Why? Because when you stay with one topic, you learn faster. You understand more, you remember more, and you don't get overwhelmed or tired. Let's try an example. Say your theme this week is food. That means every day you practice weather vocabulary. You listen to English audio or watch short clips about food. Your mind stays in one place, and that helps you learn better. You speak or write short weather sentences. You're not studying everything at once. You're not looking at verbs, grammar, clothes, and animals all in the same day. You focus only on weather. And day by day, your brain builds stronger connections. The weather words will stick in your memory. You can write words like sunny, rain, cold, cloudy. You can make simple sentences like it is raining, or today is sunny. You can listen to a short video about weather or the seasons. Even if you don't understand every word, that's okay. You're hearing real English, and your brain is learning. You might learn words like bed, door, window, kitchen, table, and sofa. Then you practice with simple sentences like, I sit on the sofa, I open the window, I clean the kitchen. Another week, you can focus on feelings, words like happy, sad, tired, excited, or scared. You write or say sentences such as, I feel tired today. She is happy, he looks sad. This kind of learning is slow, but it's strong. You're not rushing, you're not stressed. You're building your English step by step, just like building a house. One room at a time. Focus on just one theme at a time. You can write your weekly theme on a piece of paper or save it in your phone. Each week, choose a new theme. By the end of 10 weeks, you'll know 10 different topics, and something amazing will happen. You'll start speaking more, understanding more, and feeling proud of your progress. So don't try to learn everything all at once. Pick one theme, stick with it, and enjoy the process. Now, let's talk about something really important, something many learners forget. It can help you learn faster and remember better. Connect English to your emotions. Let me explain what I mean. Emotions are your feelings. When you feel happy, that's an emotion. When you feel sad, that's an emotion too. You might feel angry, excited, nervous, scared, or proud. These are all emotions. But what do emotions have to do with learning English? A lot. When you feel something, your brain pays attention, and when your brain feels, it remembers. More? Let me give you an example. Imagine you hear a funny joke in English. You laugh, you smile, you feel good, and later you still remember that sentence. Why? Because it made you feel joy. Or maybe you listen to a short story about a mother and her child. You feel warm. You feel love. That emotion helps the English stay in your mind. This is how deep learning happens, not just with your eyes or your ears, but with your heart. So how can you add emotions to your English learning? Here are some easy ways. First, watch short videos or scenes from movies. Don't just study the words. Try to feel what's happening. Even if you don't understand every word, that's okay. Look at the faces. Listen to the voices. Feel the moment. Second, listen to English songs. Music is full of emotion. Love, hope, sadness, joy. Maybe you like the beat. Maybe one line touches your heart. That feeling will help you remember. Third, read short stories. Stories are full of feeling. Even a few lines can make you feel surprised, calm, or curious. And that emotion helps your brain hold on to the words. And finally, talk or write about your own feelings. Say things like, I feel tired, I'm happy today, I'm a little nervous. The more you connect your emotions to English, the stronger your learning becomes. When you talk about your own feelings in English, it becomes personal. It feels real. You're not just studying English, you're living it. You're using it to express who you are. And that, my friend, is powerful. This is how children learn, with emotion, with connection, with feeling. So don't hold back. Don't be afraid to feel something while you learn. That emotion is part of the journey. Now, let's move on to something else that's really helpful. Something that makes learning feel easy, not stressful. You don't need to study for hours. You don't have to sit at a desk for a long time. You don't have to feel bored or tired. Instead, try having small English moments throughout your day. What's a moment? Just a short bit of time. Maybe 1 minute, maybe 5. Tiny, simple, relaxed moments. But these small moments can make a big difference. They help you grow. They help you learn. They help you improve naturally. Let me show you how. In the morning you wake up, you stretch, you brush your teeth. Can you say one sentence in English? Something simple like, I feel sleepy. The water is cold. I have a meeting today. That's it. One small English moment, but it's real. It's part of your life. Later, you walk to the bus stop or take a walk. You look at the sky. Can you think in English? Try something like, the sun is shining. It's cloudy today. There are many people outside. That's another small English moment. Now it's lunchtime. You open your food. You take a look. Try to name what you see in English. I like oranges. The tea is hot. Just say it quietly in your mind. That's learning. Before bed, you're tired. You're getting ready to sleep. Take a moment to think about your day and say 2 or 3 short sentences in English. I worked today. I called my sister. I read a book. That's your final English moment of the day. Now let's go outside. You take a walk. Look around your street. What do you see? A tree, a dog, a car, people, a bus, a traffic light. If you know the word in English, say it. If you don't, look it up. Again, just choose one. Say it out loud if you can, or just whisper it in your mind silently. Now that word is part of your day. It lives in your world. And that's powerful. Because this isn't just studying anymore. This is living with English. You're not only learning a language, you're using it. You're connecting it to your life. And that is the best way to learn. Okay, my friend, if you've made it all the way here, that means you're learning. You're doing it step by step, word by word. You're already on the journey. You've already taken the first steps, and that's powerful. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to know everything right now. All you need to do is keep going step by step, day by day, moment by moment. And remember this, you are not alone. There are so many people around the world, just like you, learning slowly, gently, and with heart. You're doing something meaningful, something real, and I'm proud of you. Thank you for spending this time with me. Thank you for listening. And thank you for choosing to learn. I'm Mike, and this is Speak English Today. Keep listening, keep practicing, and most of all, keep believing in yourself. Bye for now.